Aloha everyone, welcome in again. David Tatera here with CryptoTutorials.org. Super excited to share this series with you. As you know, I'm doing the top 10 most interesting, most exciting projects that I saw, tokens that I saw released for the month of June. So well over 1,000 new tokens come out every month. There's all kinds of different things from rug puller scam tokens to really, high-end projects with backing and capital and everything in between. So I like keeping an eye on them. Sometimes I see a new project that I'm interested in investing in. Sometimes I see a new project that I just like the technology. Sometimes I want to keep an eye on who's working on the project. So I'm going to share with you the 10 most interesting that I found last month. As well as this video is going to go over how to purchase the token. So if you're interested and you do want to do it as an investment, it'll go over how to purchase it. I'm also going to link up above to another video that's going to just tell you about the token and kind of let you know, why I think it's an interesting project and worth diving in on. All right. So do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, let YouTube know that you're a fan of this type of content and that you like listening to it, and we'll make sure you get to see more. And let's get started. And today we're talking about the April Oracle. Warning, I am not a financial advisor and this is not investment advice. Seek a professional. But before I go over how to purchase this token, I want to show you a way that you can actually get some free tokens. And I'm not talking about scammy, crappy coins that are out there. I mean name brand, high quality tokens. So I teach a thing called the Airdrop Masterclass. Normally it's $97. Right now, if you go to getmyfreecrypto.com, link down below, and sign up for it, I will send you a link that you can take that class totally free. It's going to show you everything about how to find the right airdrops, how to apply for them and successfully get them. I literally let you watch me as I go through the process. So you have no excuse. You can definitely go out and get some free crypto. All right, go to getmyfreecrypto.com, sign up for the Airdrop Masterclass before we change the price. All right, time to pick up a little bit of that April Oracle token. I'm gonna pull it up on CoinGecko. April, and there it is. And this one is another PancakeSwap one because I don't have Biloxi. So we're gonna copy our contract address and head over to PancakeSwap where we want to do a trade and exchange. And when it comes time to pull up a contract, I'm going to paste it right in there. And we're going to import the April token. And yes, I understand that anybody can make a token. In fact, I made my own token just to prove it to myself. So tokens are easy to make. You got to really trust what's behind the project before you should put money into them, because it is darn easy to just fake a contract and pull together. Yeah, it's unbelievably cheap and easy. All right, anyway. So I'm going to buy 0.05, which, how much is that going to give me? Hmm. 0.01 seems to show up. 0.05. Sometimes I've noticed that happens with PancakeSwap. If I put a small amount in, it'll finally register, and then I can bump it up to the bigger amount that I wanted. So I will be getting 2,440 April Oracle tokens. All right, let's do the swap, confirm it, say yes to our gasoline fee, and then I always go back and add the contract in as an asset, or the token in as an asset. Add token. There we go with my 2,440 April tokens. All right. Simple and straightforward. It's an easy buy on PancakeSwap. This is why I love doing it with MetaMask and on my desktop. I find it to just be cruise and simple and very, very low stress and low worries. Do me a favor, click the like and the subscribe. Let Google know you like learning about all these cool new tokens and how to buy them. And I will keep making these videos. Give me comments if you have any questions or anything that doesn't make sense about all this process. And you have a wonderful day. Aloha.